Are you looking for the best motorcycle cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best motorcycle cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Insta360 X3. Yes, GoPro has a 360-degree camera, but for as good as the Hero 11 Black is, GoPro's 360 cam is average, at best. That's where companies like Insta360 are making a name for themselves. The Insta360 X2 is the action camera for the rider who wants maximum versatility. Whereas other action cameras require you to be precise with how you position them, the X2, like most 360 cams, allows you to be lazy because you're going to capture everything around you anyway. With the X2, however, you get many of the same features mentioned with the GoPro Hero 11 Black, but inside a 360 cam. This means 5.7K 360-degree video capturing, Steadicam mode, flow state stabilization, another term for image stabilization, an ultra-bright touchscreen, waterproofness up to 10 meters, AI editing capability, for microphones capturing 360-degree audio, Insta's timeshift feature, and voice control. As far as tech specs go, the X2 can shoot in 16:9:1:1 and 9:16 aspect ratios. Its ISO ranges from 100 to 3200, with video resolution up to 5.7K, 30 FPS. In short, this is one of the best 360 action cams out there today. Well, at least until we get to test the Insta360 X3 listed below. Number 2. Insta360 X3. The newest offering from Insta360 is the X3, and it sure is impressive. Utilizing dual 1/2-inch sensors, X3 captures 5.7K 360 active HDR video, so you'll never miss the action. In post-production, you choose your favorite angle after the fact with easy reframing tools in the R-powered Insta360 app. This takes away a lot of the fuss of setting up the action camera versus more traditional ones and allows for cool effects, like panning with your subject as you ride past it, great for documenting those track day exploits. Speaking of railing around corners, flow state stabilization, image stabilization to you and me, and horizon leveling algorithms come together to deliver incredibly smooth videos where the horizon stays level throughout the corner, just like on MotoGP bikes. In addition to video, the X3 is capable of 72MP photos and 8K time lapses. To give your ride a cool third-person view, the 360 lens with X3 makes the XSE invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. The other upgrades included in the X3 consist of an 1,800 mAh battery for longer recording times, waterproof to 33 feet, and a huge, new screen for operating your X3. Number 3. Sena50C. The Sena50C is the latest intercom/camera hybrid to join the 10C Evo in the company's lineup. The 50C combines Bluetooth communications with 4K video. The camera captures video at 4K 30 FPS. Other video features include video tagging and smart audio mix. When the 50C is in standby mode, the video tagging feature records the minute before and after the rider presses the video tagging button. Smart audio mix allows for Bluetooth conversations to be recorded to the captured video. Then the Sena50C is also a Bluetooth communicator that now uses Sena's mesh technology with a claimed 1-mile range. Pairing to your smartphone allows for calls, music, or GPS directions to be broadcast to the rider. The unit also now uses Harman Kardon speakers and allows for the use of voice commands. Additionally, the camera preview mode lets the rider verify that the camera is in the correct orientation for the bike they are riding. Videos can also be downloaded to the phone for sharing. The Sena50C comes with a 3-year warranty. Number 4. INNOVV K3 Dual-Channel Motorcyle Motocam. If you want to record what's happening both in front and behind your motorcycle, INNOVV is where to turn. Its multiple product offerings consist of different variations of tiny, discrete cameras that are perfect for recording video without making it obvious to the world. The INNOVV K3 is prepared to handle any weather condition you ride in and is rated IP67 waterproof, meaning the K3 is completely dustproof and can be immersed in up to 3 feet of water for a period of 30 minutes. So, unless you're planning on launching your bike into a lake, you're sure to be covered. The remote control has been upgraded to full metal construction and gives the rider the system status at a glance while riding. The K3 has also received a microphone for recording engine sounds or rider narration. The cable is long enough to reach the rider from many remote mounting locations for the DVR unit. Dual HD cameras record front and rear views simultaneously in your choice of 1080p 30 fps or 720p 60 fps, and a Wi-Fi connection allows for reviewing and sharing of videos directly on a smartphone. Parking mode can record any attempts to molest your motorcycle while you aren't there. The built-in, user-adjustable G-sensor automatically protects the current recording from erasure if the unit detects an accident. Loop recording starts recording over the oldest files first when the microSD card fills up. Still, with a maximum card size of 256 GB, you can record approximately 18 hours of video before the unit overwrites old files.